Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dimai again. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make the best Ayurvedic herbal hair strengthening tea that you can use to fortify your hair, your natural hair, to stop it from breaking and shedding excessively. I know the ingredients used in this video are not so common, but if you can get them, I promise you will love this hair tea. Today's video, I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm going straight to the point. Please ensure you watch this video to the end to be able to grab all that I'm going to be saying. Get a clean jar like so, free of moisture, with a lid. So my first ingredient is going to be henna. Henna has so many beautiful properties that can help with hair growth, hair strengthening, whatever, name it. One common property of henna is the fact that it can be used to reverse premature gray or reverse gray hair to black. Guys, if you must use henna, make sure to get original henna. That way you get all the benefits, because there are fakes out there. So using a teaspoon, I'm going to be measuring out 1 teaspoon of henna into the jar. On my spoon is being calibrated 1/2 tablespoon, but approximately that's a teaspoon. 1/2 tablespoon is actually 1 tablespoon, so ignore that. So the next herb that I'm going to be using is burdock. Guys, you did not joke with burdock. I've said this countless times in some of my videos where I got to use burdock. Burdock is amazing for hair growth. It helps a lot with hair growth. If you're the type who is looking to grow your hair out, you should try burdock. So the next herb that I'm going to be using is aloe vera powder. That's what I'm going to be using next. I used 1 teaspoon of that, same as burdock. So I'll go ahead and add very hot water in that jar. So the reason why I added aloe vera powder is for it to help with moisture. Aloe vera helps with moisture, so aloe vera there is going to help with moisture. So I'll go ahead and use my wooden spoon to give it a good mix, to mix all the ingredients together. Next, I'll cover the jar and allow it to infuse for 8 hours or even the next day before I go ahead and sieve it. For this, I actually left mine to infuse till the next day, and that's about 12 hours. And after 12 hours, this is what I have. You can see that this mixture has separated and the liquid part is properly infused, making it more potent. Here I present to you the most potent hair tea ever. So guys, I will go ahead and sieve this using my bowl, a sieve, and then of course my cheesecloth. So I'll go ahead and sieve this to get my tea. So guys, in order not to waste this, I'm going to keep this for my next wash day, where I'm going to be using this to mix with my deep conditioner or other strengthening treatments which I'll be using. No need to discard that. Kindly keep it for your next wash day, and it will definitely stay up until that time. All you need to do is to scoop that out into a plastic container and store in your freezer, and on your next wash day, bring it out and thaw, then use it. So what I'm doing right now is to transfer this tea into my applicator bottle for easy application. So I'm going to be using this on my hair. Keep on watching to see how I use this. Oops, I actually made a mess with that, but not to worry, I'm going to clean that up soon. So guys, our strengthening and most potent hairspray is ready. You can use this as a leave-in or leave-out, whichever you choose. The choice is yours, but definitely I'm going to be using this as a leave-in because of the aloe vera in it. Please let me know in the comment section what you would be using yours for. Is it as a leave-in or as a leave-out? Please kindly drop it down below. So that's me. I'm going to be using this to saturate my hair and then seal in the moisture, though I'm not going to be showing you that here, but I'm going to be using that to spray on all over my comb rolls, which I'll be leaving in, and much later I'm going to be sealing that in. I'm so sorry I didn't show that here. You can do this treatment once or twice a week just to fortify your hair. What this combo does is to help your hair stay strengthened. No matter what you do to your hair, it can help your hair stay strengthened, prevent it from shedding, breaking so much. Guys, you don't have to be so scared to try out natural ingredients. These are 100% natural ingredients and they cannot harm your hair. They can't do anything. The worst thing that could happen is that you don't like the treatment and you stop use, and the best thing that can happen is that you like it and you continue. Feel free to feed your hair with herbs and roots. They are really amazing. They are 100% natural. There is no harm in using 100% herbs. Where you should be worried is where you use synthetic products, synthetic hair products. That's where you should be worried. But with natural ingredients, trust me, they are 100% natural and you are good to go. If you have been trying to grow out your hair and it's not been working, feel free to try out aloe vera or burdock. These herbs are amazing. These are amazing natural ingredients, and trust me, you will definitely love them. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I do love you all, and thank you so much for all the support I get on this channel. Please keep on supporting, keep on sharing my videos. If you do love and enjoy this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. That way we are reaching more audience. Thank you so much, Demite.